Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today is actually the summer solstice, and if you didn't know what that means, it means that it is the longest day of the year. It's going to be lighter out than any other day this year, which I think is super cool. I was at the pool earlier, but in spirit of the whole summer solstice, sun's out, even though right now it's a little cloudy, unfortunately. But it was sunny earlier, so we're gonna keep going. But I decided I wanted to show you this kind of sunset eye makeup look that I think looks really pretty, and it's great for summer or any season really. But especially with summer, you get these beautiful sunsets, and I kind of wanted to just recreate that kind of beauty on my eyes. As you can see, I've got lots of purples and reds and yellows, oranges, and I think it just really makes your eyes pop. And I already created a very similar look that is currently on my Instagram account. But this time I used a different palette because I just recently got the Jaclyn Hill palette that was paired with Morphe, and I know I'm a little late to the game there, but I just got it and I'm so excited, so I decided to use colors from that as well as from my other Morphe 35F palette, which I also am really in love with, and I've had that for a while. It's called Fall into Frost. So I'm going to be using both of those palettes for this look. So if you decide to recreate this look, please post it to your Insta and tag me, because I would love to see that. Also, I'm in the process of moving right now. Fun fact. So it looks clean back there, but let me tell you, pretty much all of my boxes and bags are like all over there. Really, it's not as tidy as you might think. Alright, so I'm done jibber jabbering now. I like saying that. And we can get on to the video. So I'm starting off with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to be using the shade In Light, and I'm using this as kind of a base for the rest of my eyeshadow. So I'm just using a fluffy eyeshadow brush and putting this all over my lid, again to act as a sort of base. And I also already used concealer as a primer for my eyelids. Then I'm going to be using the shade Creamsicle, and it's just like a really pretty yellowy color, and I think it's perfect for this sunset eyeshadow look. And I'm just blending this into the crease of my lid. It doesn't have to be anything perfect because we are going to be using more shadows on top of it. So next I'm going into my Morphe Fall into Frost palette and taking this shimmery orange color, and I'm just putting this just below the yellow. And just like with the yellow, this doesn't have to be a perfect line either, just enough to get that pretty radiant kind of ombre effect. Going back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking this really vibrant red color called Hunts, and I am just in love with this color. It is so pigmented and so pretty, and I'm putting this below the yellow and orange. And as you can see, it is just so pigmented and beautiful, and I just love how this looks. And I think this is perfect for kind of that reddish glow you get during a sunset. So I'm just doing this on both lids. Nothing perfect, it can be just kind of blended in like so. And then I'm going to take a purple, and this is called Royalty. And I'm putting this on the middle part of my lid and towards the inner corners, just kind of dragging it outwards. And this is just a really pretty shimmery color. I really like it. And I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. Going back to the Fall in the Frost palette, I'm taking this dark purple, and I'm using this on the outer and inner corners of my eyelid to create a sort of depth within the purple. So as you can see, I'm kind of avoiding the center area, as that's kind of where the highlight is going to be to make my eyes pop. And I really think purples are really pretty in a sunset, so I definitely wanted to include that with this look. Also, I know my face is like really weird when I put eye makeup on, and my mouth does whatever weird things it wants to do. So really sorry guys, I try to help it, but I really can't. Next, I'm going to take this pretty light gold shimmer and I'm just patting this onto that center area of my eye that I was trying to avoid before so I could make it pop later. So this is the pop, and I really like adding shimmers to the middle parts of my eyelid because it really creates that kind of 3D effect. And then using a different brush, I'm just blending in the darker purple with the brighter shimmer. Next, I'm taking some of that red Hunt's color again and just adding some more to the crease area just to create more of a color and pigment, and then I'm doing the same with the yellow creamsicle. Then I'm going to take creamsicle and put it under my eye as well as the red Hunt's color, and I'm using a thinner tip so I can create more of a line rather than put it all over the bottom part of my eye. And I'm going to do the same with the purple royalty color. So next I'm taking this brightest color and I'm using this as a highlight for the arch of my brow and as well on the inner corner of my eye to create a highlight on the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm taking my Styla waterproof black eyeliner pen and I'm just going to line my eye real quick. And by real quick, I do take some time when I line my eye, but I want it to look perfect, so that's how I do it. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes. And I know I made a really weird face when I did that. But then I'm going to take the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express Mascara, waterproof, as you can see right here, and put on some mascara. And then I'm going to take some fake eyelashes and put those on. I kind of had a little bit of struggle, so I had to do this off camera in front of a mirror. Sorry, guys. And here is the finished sunset look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm in love with this. I just think it's really pretty. I think sunsets are pretty in general, so I think I'm just in love with it because of that. But I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do, and I definitely recommend the palettes that I use. I love Morphe Brushes Cosmetics. Their products are really great. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and if you enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down in the section below with any kind of positivity or constructive criticism maybe. Nothing too mean. I'm fragile. Just kidding. Not fragile. Just don't be rude. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, things you want to see, please put that in the comment section below as well. Check out my other social media accounts, yada yada yada, you know the deal. And yeah, oh, and make sure you subscribe if you already haven't. I'm also posting a lot more often. If you couldn't tell, I'm doing several videos a week. I really want to get myself out there and show you guys what I have to offer, and I have a lot of great ideas, at least I think they're great, and I really just want to use this to show you all and help you all and get to know you and kind of grow in the YouTube community. Alright, well, I will see you soon. Bye guys.